know today is my birthday, but it's already done.
Kaugnay pa rin ng Administrative Order Number 11. Mr.
I
Witness,
almost said my
ano ang komposisyon ng
age.
Special
I
Task
almost
Force kung
said
iyong
it. If
naalala?
you heard it, then
Ito po ay
Don't you dare
binubuo
say.
ng iba't ibang division na pinamumunuan po ng
This is my Happy
leader
Meal.
na
Joke lang, this is actually not Happy Meal.
At dalawa po na assistant
box
team leader sa pangunguna
is
po
from
ng assistant director
put
namin
all
for investigation at assistant
my
director for intelligence po.
Squishmallows.
Nabanggit
I mean,
mo
Squishmallows
ang
has
team
names.
leader at assistant
Mas
team
Squishmallows are
leader
here.
ng Special Task Force.
Shoo!
Sino naman ang mga miyembro
want to-
ng Special Task Force kung iyong nalalaman?
Let's
Hindi po
go!
sila, kundi ito po ay mga grupo namin, ang cybercrime division po namin,
Okay, someone chatted
ang
me.
CCTV Organized
I'll check it
Crime,
later.
Transnational Crime Division.
By the way, this is
ang
just a
POD po at ang
short. I will
CFD.
post later.
Mr. Witness,
The only
nabanggit mo
thing I will
ang
show you is
National
this.
Capital Region
And this
Division.
is
Ano ang
yeah, this is
At
yeah.
isinama ang
Yeah.
National Capital
That's all. I will just post.